Panda.
Hello, and welcome to the 2020 Do's and Don'ts step-by-step boot shining instructional video for the Royal Canadian Army Cadets. When you get your new boots, or old ones from the closet, make sure to use an appropriate brush to dust them off. If they're new boots, wash them in hot water and soap to remove the initial invisible film. This here would not be considered an appropriate brush. Aww. This one here, on the other hand, would be an appropriate brush. Grab an appropriate cloth and dip it in the boot polish. Then in a small glass of water to ease the spread of the polish. Now start making small circles on the spots you need to polish your boots. There are some alternatives if you don't have a glass of water, like spit shining them, like this. There are some ways that people will try to speed up the process. For example, burn shining or painting your boots. But these are never recommended, as you may harm yourself or your precious boots. It would most likely take a long time to polish your boots, and many layers of polish. You may also find yourself polishing in many different places. But make sure it's an appropriate place to do so. Aww. 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 So you can turn on your favorite movie and watch it while polishing.
You know what, sir? I can't say that I am shocked because I felt very good about this year's test, especially in light of the fact that in previous years my fitness has been an issue. Personal best!
That's all you need to know on how to polish your boots. Just make sure to store them in an appropriate place and to cover them so they don't get damaged.